Hello guys, for today's video is
Pwede natin gamitin on your
Ay, sa Das Marinas ka tayo rin.
So let's start with example.
pupunta kami na bitch today. So, si Jello.
Is the representation of a certain population. So, ibig sabihin, I mean, for example,
Ayan, online
our
class
business
na guys.
research would tackle about students ng PL So, what we do is that we compute certain
Uy,
number.
mamamatay mo.
For example, 100 or 150. Yung 150 respondents na yun, they will represent the whole student population of Belmont. Another example, if we are studying about women sa Muntinlupa City. So, kukuha natin yung
Diba nawala na siya? Kasi wala na signal.
data on how many women computations. Tapos kung ano man yung nababas based on sa ating computations, sila yung magiging again, our sample or representations ng kabuuang population ng Muntinlupa City or kabuuang population ng Muntinlupa City.
Amin ni Mother Belen.
Again, your sample
Parang sila natin lang. May mana ni Ate Love yung
and they
ganyang habit ni Tita Belen.
Kaya nga walang kukuya.
of the whole populations ng study nila.
Kung natatakot ako, baka mapindot ko yung height.
So some general respondents and places to study. Under this section, the researcher must explain how and where the subjects will be taken or selected. A brief description of respondents is presented and how they will be
Research na kasi
selected.
itong usapan.
The research local or locality where and when the study will be conducted. Write a brief background about the research location and state resource or of selecting the research location. Kaya sinasabi ko na kailangan natin ng specific local, meaning are your businesses, whether these are computer shops, cafes, stores, trade stores, the gyms, or again, any selected
Hinahawak ko talaga si Jello.
lokal. Kaya meron tayong specific local dyan is para yung research natin will be specific or alam na natin kung sino agad yung magiging respondents. Meaning to say, yung customer ng ganitong shop, yung pupunta sa ganitong lugar, yung nagtatry ng ganitong gym,
Alam mo, ito pala may power pala.
would be the combination na pwede natin pag-surveyan or pag-interviewan. And then sampling techniques, there are two types of sampling techniques. It is mainly used for quantitative research. Meaning to say, the research na gumagamit ng surveys. If you want to produce resource
Second semester.
are representative of the whole population, probability sampling techniques are the most
So dapat, this semester, wala akong babagsak sa subject.
if gusto natin
Kasi if ever
Regular ka pa naman, di ba?
Oh, if ever meron akong mabagsak, let's say may nabagsak ako, initake ko yung subject na to next semester, next year ng second semester. Sabay ng OJT ko.
Ngayon,
Which is
Pagod yun. Eh di regular ko na nun.
Irregular ako, at the same time,
or
kailangan ko pumasok sa OJT ko. Ay, paano pag ito
yung
nabagsak ko na naman yung
pinaka
subject?
dapat nating gamitin na probability
May
sampling.
ano kayo, di ba? May maintaining.
Ang pinaka dapat natin gamitin would be probability
Ano lang
sampling, which are simple random, systematic, stratified,
Ang alam
and
ko,
clusters.
dapat walang 2.25.
Apart from probability sampling, there is also
ano,
non-probability sampling, which is
kada course?
convenience, quota, judgment, and snowball. Usually, under
Mahirap pala sa inyo.
probability sampling,
Sa amin kasi.
si simple random yung madalas natin ginagamit.
What I
Sa
want is best.
non-probability sampling
Uy,
naman, si
kuha daw. Kunin
convenience,
mo.
non-probability sampling yung ginagamit natin. Si convenience, just to set an example, si convenience non-probability sampling technique, ito yung
Ano ba?
Huwag ka may
sampling
lata mo.
technique na hindi na
Huwag ka
kailangan
may
ng combinations. So for example, if the researchers
Ikaw lang.
tells the readers na kailangan lang na respondents would be 100, 150, 200 respondents.
Kuya,
Ayan
bunso
yung
ka.
convenience
Not me.
probability sampling technique. Kapag simple random, combination, Tapos,
I
pipili
love
tayo
that.
ng tao na pagsasurveyan natin doon sa specific local natin.
Sobrang lagi kong kada week ako nadaan dito kung
Next would be sampling size. When we talk naman about sample size, it is a term that used in research for defining the number of selected numbers of subjects included in a sample size. By sample size, we understand a group of subjects that are selected from general population and is considered representative of the real population for that specific study. Ito yung sinasabi ko class kanina na mula dun sa number, for example,